Okay, Hana is here, my ex-girlfriend. Please introduce yourself. And you remember when we were in a relationship?
Yes.
When exactly? 2 years ago, 3 years ago? Just tell my followers, subscribers.
We was in a relationship 2 years ago.
2 years ago we were in a relationship.
And
How was it? Were you happy with me?
of course no.
Why?
If I wasn't happy, of course right now I'm with you, not ex-girlfriend.
Ah.
So that's the why I'm now your ex-girlfriend.
But I thought that you were looking for someone else. And the day you broke up with me, I got really sad. I thought that I am not the person that you were looking for.
Excuse me? You're meaning this I'm cheating on you?
No, you didn't cheat on me.
Oh.
But I thought that you're looking for someone else.
Oh.
And I'm not that type of person that you're looking for. Maybe someone different. And so I decided to break up with you.
Because you decide by yourself. You never asking me before. You never try to talk with
But
me.
we had lots of problems. We argued a lot.
Really?
You just asked me who was she, who was he, and why did she call you?
Exactly,
Why did she
because
text?
I am jealous. Because I love you, so that's why I was jealous.
But this is my job. I have more than 700,000 followers on Instagram, and they keep calling me, they keep texting me. You shouldn't be sad for these little things.
Yes. This is if you have some like conversation about the work is okay, but this is not your job. You say, "Oh, you are sad today? Oh no, what is this?"
Oh, I see.
So
Then
I don't like it.
you mean I shouldn't flirt with other girls?
Of course.
You don't
Of
like
course.
a flirtatious boy? Never. And
No girl like it. No girl.
then if I decide to be a good boy, would you like to continue your relationship with me or not?
You should try. I will see.
You'll
we shall
see.
see. We shall see. I never promise you.
We never
Okay.
promise.
Of course.
And talk about my good things to the followers.
He don't
My
have
generosity,
any, He
my-
don't have any good things as a boyfriend.
As a boyfriend? Seriously?
Come